Hello guys, just I want to show you that dollar index because may move in based on the dollar index, right? So see here, um, before do any analysis, before do anything, we need to understand that how the dollar index move. What is the next move of dollar index? So see, we have got here, we have got equal highs. We have got institutional candle here. We have an imbalance here. So high probabilities to price to come down and spike up. Why? Because see this low, this is a major low. Actually, if this low is being taken, the scenario ke Venezuela. I mean, it will price will drive again lower. For example, this if the low this is taken, but methane the price reverse it will go up and take this equal highs. So then dollar index is trying to move, shift the momentum upside. So apita confirmation by looking at this low. See, Balanda, this is the previous low. In 1 hour, I'm in the 1 hour time frame. This low has been taken. This low actually break by this low. So this low is not broken, not violated. So then price may pallet then duano. May price if it doesn't take this low, that the reversal is confirmed. I mean the reversal, price will drive upwards. So based on this, tama apita major other index, for example, Euro USD hari, GBP USD hari, AUD USD hari, okkama dollar, associate pairs apita trade ideas tika split karakanda pulluvam, plan karakanda pulluvam, right? So we know that entire scenario now what dollar index try to do kila. When the US market is open, in few hours time, in about 1.5, it's almost open now. It tried to price to come down and retest this institutional candle, right? Make retest karla, it tried to reverse upwards. Then what the dollar Euro USD will happen? Euro USD will drive down, right? When the dollar index goes up, Euro USD, AUD USD, GBP USD, majority of the pairs respect opposite wave. The dollar index goes up, rest of other pairs will go down. So now we have to keep in mind on that. Actually, basically, based on the dollar index movement, Thamai, we play out all the trades. Okay, now let's go to I'll just GBP USD. Okay, what GBP USD telling us? Let's go to daily time frame. Daily time frame Kavila, because see the price is we have is what it tried to form a bearish candle, right? This is one of the kind of how to say that confirmation. These two highs been taken, but may this high is not taken. So we know that GBP is a heavy bearish on the daily time frame. I mean the long run, right? So now because the so far it's claim but now we try to get the kind of a retracement or reversal. Okay, so then 100% can make a retracement the reversal kill. I would say that it's a reversal, but we need to know how deep price can drive down. Okay, this all depend. We need more candlestick to be print in the future. Then only we can put spot the next move. Now, because we don't play on daily time frame, so we play on 4 hour. So when you check the 4 hour, you can see the strength of bearishness, very heavy, right? Valanda, because from these candlesticks, you see the red to large candle to candle, bearish candlestick. So this is also give us a confirmation of bearishness. Okay, let's move back to the 1 hour now. Okay, so now we need to know what's happening here. So dollar in index, we have got the equal lows here, we have equal highs here, and we have imbalance, right? Now where's the magnetic area, where the price will go immediately. So already we know that dollar index, GBP tried to come down. So let's put the fib. You need to know how deep it can retrace, right? Okay, so see, we have a point of interest here, imbalance here and here. So most of the time, majority of the retail traders look for 61% or 50% for the sell, right? So what අපි මේක match කරලා බලන්නේ with the high probabilities of a point of interest. මෙතන අපිට point of interest මේක මෙතන තියෙනවා අපිට institutional candle එකක් තියෙනවා, මෙතන imbalance තියෙනවා, මෙතන equal highs තියෙනවා. So we have more confluence in these areas for reversal. Okay, then දාලා තියෙන box එක මෙතන, right? Also maybe price will come to this area and reverse too. I just put the two arrow. We have a possibility of price to reverse from this red box and here also from 50 to 61 or 70 to 78, right? So these are the two scenario on GBP USD. I'm waiting for see the how the market is going to react, how what kind of opportunities it's going to give us for sell, right? If the dollars goes up, what will happen? It will take this, it will go through this, this press will it will drive through this, past this high. So if the high is taken, then the picture is totally will be different. Why? If this high taken, the price will drive and retest and drive the market up. If the dollar index goes down, if the dollar index goes up, we have opportunity for a sell from these two areas as I mentioned, right? Let's go to Euro USD. Now Euro USD, this is my point of interest price to come down, but it was struggling to come up actually. Because the euro was so weak, and now is the dollar index actually. See, if you see the dollar index, what is happening? What is dollar index doing? Is dropping. So what is euro is doing? It's going up. So we have this one point of interest, which is the one that's called order block here. And again, we have an equal highs here, imbalance here, institutional candles here. So this is another target. So we have a 2 point of interest for sells. One is here, one is here. So we all play based on how the market react. අපි කවදාවත් trade එක push කරන්න නැහැ. අපි කවදාවත් rush වල enter වෙන්න අවශ්‍යකුත් නැහැ, because we always enter with the high probabilities with the low risk. See the risk of the trade I have here. How many pips? 15 pips. Normally mama trade එක enter කරනවා, I will enter with the 2 to 10 pips, 15 pips stop loss, because my entries are high accuracy entries. Okay, even if I lose the trade, I won't much affected, because mama because target karne just with the low risk with high reward. For example, see if this trade is become valid, we have a potential of catching nearly 78 pips. So Eva Gamer, if this trade is triggered, we have a potential of 55 pips. So I only look for sell with an eye, not buy. Why? Because this is a Euro USD is a bearish market, right? So I'm looking for this sell opportunities only here. Now let's go back to Euro JPY. So Euro JPY I sent it yesterday. Because my point of interest, this is the area I'm looking for, the price to come up. This is the main area I'm looking for, according to my vision. And we have another point of interest, so samalata price reverse or majority of the time price will come this area. These are the areas I'm targeting on. Okay, but this is for your educational purpose, to understand that how the price is reacting based on the dollar move. You need to understand this. These are the trade areas. You need to understand how price moving towards point of interest, imbalance, institutional candle, so these are the things. What retail traders one of the balance mainly support and resistance. Okay, channels and this and that patterns and right. I don't look at that. So I know that what they look for, but mainly we need to see what this Euro USD do. I mean Euro JPY. So now you know that Euro is actually a little bit weaker, but now it's actually doing kind of retracement. For example, let's do the Fibonacci. So Fibonacci is mainly to understand that how market will, how deep can retrace. Why? Because Euro JPY, I only look for a sell. I don't look for buy. This low is being taken. Okay, this low is being taken. Now this low is being, previous low is being taken. So now the market is showing the bearish momentum. Heavy bearish. You can confirm in 15 minutes also. I'd have confirmed karaganda pulluvaanga. Within one of the winning. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So market is making lower low. So Ethikota now is try to break this level, previous level. Even if it is break, but we need to know how far it could retrace, upwards. So now I have a 2 point of interest method. One is this, one is this. Right? Mostly keep an eye on this area. These are the box. We have imbalance, institutional candle, Fibonacci level 71 to 68 levels. Okay, so these are the two places I keep an eye for sell entry. All right, this is Euro JPY. Then I will go for USD CAD quickly. Right, so USD, what's happening? See, this is actually longer move. This is my longer picture. Okay, where price can go up to level 38.50. But now I'm looking for short entries, but this Mekavilla Euro Cadacavilla is a heavily bearish pairs. But mainly, if this pair may lower gatut, if this high is taken, then the price will try towards here. Okay, but now because what the dollar USD CAD is exactly following the dollar index. Let's look at the dollar index. What is doing? See that it's made a move high, spike up. Now it's retracing, right? If you go to USD CAD, what's happening? Spike up, retracement. So exactly it's following the dollar index. So now what is next? So we need to see within a point of interest. One of the killer. Where is the point of interest? We have 2 point of interest here. The imbalance, right? This imbalance, just keep an eye on it. When the price comes, if this low is not being taken, may low ke break current net. Okay, if the price make avilla is methanavilla, it will reverse here, or if this break this, then market will drive down. So we have two scenario: swing down, take the price up; swing down, take this low, retest, and take the market down. Okay, this is USD CAD. Now what else? Okay, we go gold. I showed you gold, right? What happening? So gold already triggered our. Actually, at present I'm only within a gold now. Already I just taken my profit because see this. We entered here. Last it already made a 56 pips move. 56 pip move actually, right? So I was now to break even. I know that it because market when during the year's time it's fluctuates scalar. So I've taken my profit, but I'm still waiting for another opportunity to re-enter when the market gives a solid confirmation and confluence, right? So this is actually risk-free. At present, this is a risk-free trade for me. And this is the gold. Now we have what else? I have look at okay, EUR AUD. Okay, now EUR AUD. What's happening here? So here is the main low. The market is driving up. This high need to be taken because the heavy downtrend. You see that heavy downtrend. So this low, it's been equal to this low. So if the market taken this high, it will fly up, retest, and go up. Or it will come, nothing make a palette, this will come down, drive down to take the imbalance, collect the imbalance, and drive up. Okay, so this is the two scenario on the Euro, EUR, AUD. Now quickly I'll just go through to okay, AUD USD, what we have here. Okay, now see that it's a heavy uptrend, Euro USD. Let's go to the 30 minutes. Okay, structure break. Can you see that all previous low has been taken? New low is being created. So this All lows been taken by the new low. And see the imbalance, equal lows. Liquid is being collected, or liquid is also collected. Now it's reacting this level. See that institutional candle, last down candle before the up move. Can you see the last down candle before the up move? Now the market has tried to retrace a bit. If we put the fib level from last swing to swing low, swing high to swing low. Okay, I'm on 15 minutes. Let's go to the 1 minute. So even 1 hour also, previous low is being taken, new low is being created. This low is being taken, this low. What market trying to tell us? Market shifting down kela, right? So we need to see the entry. We need to looking for the entry with the confluence to enter our positions. Now, market slowly retracing back to the imbalance, collecting the imbalance and medicating this order blocks here, institutional candle, then price drive down. Okay, based on the technical analysis. Okay, maybe anything could happen. Maybe the market, if the dollar index, if the dollar index fly up, what will happen? Market avilla, it can go up to it's go and break and just go up. But we have opportunity, we have high probabilities. High probabilities, right? Whether the price respecting of the point of interest. So now the price moving upward to respect our point of interest. What is that? Imbalance. Institutional candle open, which is order blocks, we will say that, and it is a open up the order block. So we have a potential of enter for sell position. So method we sell enter whenever now. Okay, what is the risk and reward? For example, see that. Let's say I'm entering for sell method. What is the, where is the stop loss? Here. Okay, see. Well, let's target this one. So imagine that how many pips we going to enter here. Stop loss, just 20 pips, right? And stop loss, take how many pips we're going to make it? Nearly 1900 pips. This is what we call, so 1 to 5 risk reward. So you pick the trades, don't chase the trade. This is how you spot the market, you play out the market. Okay, but when you do analysis, it doesn't mean that every trade up enter we will see the price to come to the price areas to give a reaction and respect, then we will take entry. This is how it is. Okay, it's very simple. It's not, don't make it complicated, don't chase the market, make it simple, be patient. Patience is the key for this business. All right, so and I have a keep an eye on GBP JPY. Let's see, where is that? Okay, so GBP JPY, I have a 2 point of interest for now, for price to give us a selling opportunity for us. The one is here, one is here. So let's see how it respect Venakila, but I'm looking for short entries here. For example, according to because I am looking for here, actually this is for me is high probability trades with a low risk and reward, right? This is number one. And Anithaka will I would say that take a trade from here. And another option, I would say that for short position here. But we have to wait and see how the market is respect. But more or less, I'm looking for this one, not this one. I want little deeper retracement because I want to see the retracement. I want to see how market is reacting. For example, it gives me more confluence for 50% because even there is a chance to price to go here, here, and here, right? Or for example, here. But now I want to enter the trade. Now I will see how it's react. Okay, based on the currency strength and the confluence. It doesn't mean that Methanapita 4 point of interest in 1, 2, 3, 4 institutional candle 5 because here is a major institutional candle open. But I want to see that how the prices react. So when the prices goes, I will wait price to not to take this high. If this high is taken or this high is taken, the trade is invalid. Okay, you need to see that. So the price should go, mitigate this order, then take an entry. I'm not that much looking at GBP, JPY. I need more information confluence, because this is not. I'm not happy with these two trades, but I'm just showing you for example. Okay, this is all about just a quick analysis of the trades. And the AUD JPY I sent out yesterday, but that is also already AUD JPY. Okay, see, price has come because when I sent the trade out, we were here. Yeah, so now it's AUD JPYs because this is the place I'm waiting for the potential shell. Why? Because this is already this low taken, this low taken, this low taken by this. Okay, so now this is all about it, guys. Let's see that dollar index. I've got alert. What's happening? Okay, see, dollar index reached the entry point. Let's see how it's react. Okay,